Hi kids, I'm going to take you behind the barn door to meet this cute calf and some other cows.
Say hi, look. I'm going to go and see your baby. I'm going to go and see your cute baby. Yes, I am. I'm going to go right now. So I will say goodbye to you, and I'll say hello to her. Bye. Good news, boys and girls. Here is Mama, and right across the way, they have placed her baby. And the baby is right down here. Hi, baby. You gonna get up and come and say hi? Come on, get up, come on. Come and say hi to me. There she is. There she is, boys and girls. Hi. Hi, yes. So happy to see you again. Yes, so happy to see you again. Yes. Yes, thank you for that. You're getting big, huh? You're getting big? Yes, you are. There's the milk in the pail. Yummy, yummy, Mommy's milk. Yeah, she loves milk. Mama's milk, huh? What are you doing? What are you doing? She's trying to find every little drop of milk. I smell you and you smell good. You smell like milk. Oh, that tongue of yours. Are you mooing, huh? Are you mooing? Ooh, look at those eyes. They're looking at me and I'm looking at you. Look at those eyes. They're beautiful. Big brown eyes on this beautiful cow, boys and girls. Hi! Can you say hi to the boys and girls again, like you did one other time? Come on. Come on, say moo. Say moo. Come on. Let's see if our friend next door can come. You gonna come up and give me a big kiss? Huh? You're gonna come up and give me a big kiss? You're saying yes? Thank you. That's so sweet of you. Yeah. Say moo. Huh? Oh my goodness. Yes. You want to say moo, don't you? But you're way down there. You're a shorty. You are all black. Your whole body is black. Even your eyes are pure black. Oh, boys and girls, wants me to pet. Yes, wants a pet. You want to moo for us? I've heard you moo, and the boys and girls have heard you moo.